Hello, welcome back for lesson number 23. I put a title called Peck Drill. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. Today we're going to drill a hole so that the end mill operation can carry out smoothly. As usual, we're going to open the file that we created at the last operation, introduce you a new tooling, and we continue with the lesson. This is the result on the last operation. We have created the center drill. We need to use this twist drill, diameter 3, to drill a hole so that the end mill operation can continue. We start with the Peck operation, then click hole 1 and select OK. Load the tool shape, select drill, and we need to use a diameter 3 twist drill. Click OK. We put a name so that easier for us to recognize in a later time, D3 twist drill, and we need to put a tool number which is number 5 for this tool. We click OK. Right click mouse on the operation so that we can select the edit and update the rest of the parameter. The first one is going to be the G54, the frame, and we set the RPM at 850. The depth is going to be 10 mm. We're going to use the tip because this is not a true hole. We need to use the tip to ensure that we're going to drill at the depth of Z-15. Change the color and we perform a calculate. Looks good. We need to do a verification. Step by step, click the +1 button. Eventually you can see the packing process, and finally the Z-15 is appeared, which is correct. Then we click OK. After that we continue with OK, and we need to drag the operation upward after the center one so that the drilling operation is carried out before the end mill come into the operation. Do a solid verify. Everything looks good, and we continue with the analysis. You can see there's one dot there, which is correct. The drill operation is done because we haven't go to the final depth, so there is a tool mark there, which is okay for this. Later on we're going to use the finishing tool to cut it off. Save the file for the next operation. We have completed the theory portion. Let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step. First, we will double click to hide the previous operation, and we start the Peck operation. Select hole 1, OK. We need to load the tool, select drill, and we're going to choose a diameter 3 twist drill. We need to put a name, D3 twist drill. Set the tool number to 5. OK. No, we're not going to calculate. Set the frame, G54, RPM 850. Change to 10. This one to tip. The rest is okay. Change the color to green. Calculate. We continue with verify. Set the frame G54. 1. Go to the depth -9. Continue again. 12. 15. OK. Continue. Close. Click OK. We drag the operation upward. Do a solid verify. Slow down the process. Tilt the angle. Play. Yes, everything looks good. Let us do an analysis visual. Let me go into the detail. Drag it up, and you can see there's one dot here. Everything looks good. We close, close, and we save the file for the next operation. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of it. I see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.